Hey, this video is the second video, and we are going to be simplifying the rational exponents. So now you're actually going to be putting it into your calculator and getting an answer. So if we have a variable that's raised to the n power, and we get some other number, then we can say that the nth root of that answer is a. So basically it just flips back and forth. So because, for an example, we can say 2 to the 4th is 16. Then what we can do is do the 4th root of 16 as equaling 2. So like I said, we're basically trying to find an answer this time. Okay, so for the first example, you are going to have to use a calculator. I highly suggest using a regular calculator and not a phone calculator. So if you look at this first example, we're simplifying the 4th root of 256. So on your calculator, there is a button that looks like this. No, it doesn't have an N. It is above, it's above the caret button. And so you have to hit the second button. So whenever we're looking for the 4th root of 256, you have to type in 4 first, then the radical button with the x, not the square root. We have to do the x now, and then 256. So you would be typing in 4, and then that second button with the caret, and then 256. And you should get the answer of 4. And that's it. Pretty simple. Okay, so this next example, the 6th root of 15,625. We need to type in the 6 first, then the radical with the x, and then the 15,625. So you would be doing 6, and then that second button, that caret, and the 15,625. And you should get 5. Okay, the 4th root of 2,401 would be 4, with the radical with the x, 2,401. You should get 7. Okay, this time we are going to be using the exponents first. So I think this one's a little bit easier to type in your calculator, but you're going to do like 8 to the 1/3, which is the same thing as the cubed root of 8, which would be 2. So in your calculator, this is exactly what you're going to type. 1331 raised to the 1/3 power. So you'd have 1331, and then you're going to type in that caret button, and then it's 1/3, so you need to put the 1/3 in parentheses. and you get 11. So a couple things. Don't use the ABC button for the fraction. Actually use the division button. And then make sure you put the fraction in parentheses. Okay, so this next example is 2,401 raised to the 1/4 power. So you're going to do 2401 and then that caret button and put 1/4 in parentheses. And you should get 7. Okay, 4,096 raised to the 1/4. And you should get 8. Okay, so this example now is just if there are something other than a 1 in the exponent, but it's the same concept as what we just did. So 32 to the 2/5 power would be 32 raised, so the caret button, to the 2/5 power. So 32 caret parenthesis to the 2/5 power, and you get 4. Okay, the next one, 81 to the 5 seconds. So 81 raised to the 5-second power. And you should get 59,049. Okay, so the next one, 36 to the 3/2 power. 36 caret 3/2. And you should get 216. Okay, so there are 2 parts to this homework assignment. The first one is page 17, 10 through 18. And then the second one is page 410, number 17 to 43, odd.